Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Guys, if you have a Samsung phones and if your phone overheats a lot, then in this video, I will give you some tips and tricks. This will definitely fix your overheating issue on your Samsung phones. Alright, tip number one is avoid using mobile brightness above 50%. Okay, if you don't know, mobile brightness is the main villain of overheating issue in phones. So try to keep your brightness below 50%. So tip number two is if you're using Wi-Fi, then turn off mobile network. If you use both at the same time, it uses extra CPU, then it causes overheating. Okay, so if you're using Wi-Fi, turn off mobile network, and if you're using mobile network, then turn off Wi-Fi. And if you are not using Bluetooth, then turn off Bluetooth, turn off location. If you're not using location, you should turn all this off if you are not using, because it drains battery also and cause overheating also. And also, guys, try to regularly close your all apps, like go to just multitask over here and close all the apps, because if the apps are running on the background, that's also caused overheating. And guys, if your phone is heating while playing BGMI or PUBG, then you should do this. Okay, just go to settings and go to graphics and go to customize over here. Okay, just click on customize, and you should keep this setting graphics keep on smooth and FPS on ultra or extreme, because if you use graphics SD SDR or ultra SDR, then your phone will heat a lot while playing game. You should keep this setting on BGMI while playing games if your phone is overheating. And guys, I request, please don't charge your phone while playing games. Okay, first it will overheat your phone, and second, your battery backup will be reduced. So please don't charge your phone while playing games, and always use Samsung official charger or good company charger to avoid overheating while charging your phone. And the best thing you can do to reduce overheating on your Samsung phone is just turn on this setting, power saving mode. Okay, but before that, just press over here for a 1 second, then you will go to this setting, then turn this feature off. Okay, turn off 5G, just turn this off, then you can turn on power saving mode. Okay, so what it will happen is the power saving mode is still on, but you will still getting that 5G network. It will reduce overheating issue if you turn this setting on. And two more thing you should do right now. If your phone is overheating, just go to phone settings and type over here device. Okay, you have to go to device care. Okay, click on device care and scroll down. You will see a performance profile. Just select light. Okay, you should keep on light if your phone is overheating. It will reduce overheating up to 50% if you select light. And just go back after selecting light. The second thing you should do is now click on memory. It will check like which app are eating lot of RAM. Okay, example, you can see Binance is eating lot of RAM, Book My Show is eating lot of RAM, so it will show that which app are running on background. For example, I'm not using Binance now, and Book My Show also I rarely use. So Binance, I don't do crypto. So what you should do is, now the app which you are not using now, you should uninstall that. Example, Binance for me, I don't do crypto now, so let me uninstall the Binance, because it was running on the background and it was eating lot of RAM. So I'm not using that app also. So I should uninstall that app. It's the running in the background. It use the GPU, CPU also. Then the phone will also start hitting. So you should uninstall the app which you are not using. This also reduce overheating on your Samsung phones. Alright, you have done all this, but your phone is still overheating, then you should factory reset your phone. Just go to setting, type reset. Okay, click on reset and just go to reset and factory reset your phones. I request, take all your data, phone number, photos, everything backup, then only hard reset your phone. Okay, then maybe it will fix your phone overheating issue. So these are the tips and tricks you should follow to reduce your phone overheating. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. uh, and if you have a Samsung phones, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye.